What is a computation? A journey into the heart of computing. Get ready for an exhilarating adventure, fellow computing enthusiasts. If you've ever been curious about the magic that makes your computers tick, this is the place for you. Today, I'm taking you on a whirlwind tour of the fascinating world of computation. So, what exactly is computation? Well, imagine computation as a master chef following a meticulously crafted recipe. The recipe is like an algorithm, a set of instructions so detailed that a machine can flawlessly execute them. Think of it like this. The ingredients, these are the inputs, the data you feed into your computer. Maybe it's numbers for a big calculation, or text for a word processor. The recipe, your chosen program, like Photoshop or a fancy scientific calculator, is the recipe. It's loaded with instructions for manipulating your ingredients. The magical cooking process, this is the computation itself. Your computer, the obedient chef, follows those instructions step by step, transforming the inputs into a delicious, well, hopefully, a delicious result. The dish, the final result, an edited photo, a solved equation, that's your output. It's the fruits of the computation's labor. The beauty of algorithms. Algorithms are the heart and soul of computation. A good algorithm is like an elegant dance, where every step is carefully choreographed. Let's take a classic example, sorting a list of numbers. Imagine you have a messy pile of numbered cards. There are tons of ways to sort them. You could start grabbing the smallest one, then the next smallest, and go on. That's one type of algorithm. Or, you could divide the pile in half, sort each half separately, then cleverly merge them together. That's a different algorithm altogether. Some algorithms are lightning fast, while others are slower but use less memory. The art of computer science lies not only in creating algorithms but in finding the most efficient one for the job. It's a bit like a chef choosing the perfect tool for a task. Computations everywhere. Computations aren't just confined to the glowing screen in front of you. They're woven into the fabric of our world, often without us even noticing. Here's a few examples. Your smartphone, that little supercomputer in your pocket, is constantly running computations. It translates your finger taps into actions, compresses your photos to save space, and even adjusts the screen brightness to suit the environment. The internet, when you send a message, it isn't beamed across the world in one burst. Computations break it into packets, find the best routes through the vast network of computers, and reassemble everything at the other end. Scientific discoveries. From simulating the weather to cracking the human genome, scientists rely on computers to perform massive, complex computations that would be impossible for a lone human mind. The power in your hands. Understanding computation isn't just about appreciating the technology around us, it's about unlocking the power to create new things. Coding. Learning to code is akin to learning the language of computers. With it, you can write your own recipes, algorithms, and make computers dance to your tune. Problem solving. Computational thinking, the skill of breaking down problems into algorithm-like steps, is a superpower. It helps you tackle not only programming challenges but also problems in your everyday life. The world of computing is vast and ever-evolving. This has just been a taste, a tantalizing appetizer to ignite your curiosity. If you're eager to learn more, there's an endless feast of knowledge out there waiting for you. Want to stay on the cutting edge of computing? Subscribe to our channel and embark on this exciting journey of discovery together.